Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with an unboxing of this bridal box. This is called the ring box. It just arrived today. I've not yet seen what's inside and I'm very excited for it, so let's go ahead and open it up together. So this is what it looks like inside. It says, "Congratulations, you're engaged. We're so excited to be a part of this journey with you. XOXO, the ring boxes." And then the sticker says, "For the bride to be." So I'm excited. If you've hopefully seen, I will have a link down below, that I did just get engaged at the end of December, and I'm very, very excited. So I'm going to be incorporating some more bridal type videos. Sorry, totally lost it in my brain today. So inside, underneath the tissue paper, this is what it looks like. In this white box, let's see what we have. Oh, this is cute. We have a little water bottle. It's a small one, very small, but it says bride on it. That's really pretty. And then the back, it says the ring boxes. This is actually super cute and I really like this. I love like the matte satiny black with the white print on it. I think it's really pretty. And then I also have this hat. It's like a gray. I'm trying to get the paper off of it, and it says bride on it. So just a little ball cap. I do like ball caps. This is cute. I'm gonna keep it on actually. It blends into my background. Sorry if you can hear the alarms. I have got my door open and there's alarms going off. Awesome. Let's keep filming. I also have this little box. It says gold-plated earrings. Oh, the little backings are coming out, but they just say Mrs. on them. You can see that. It says Mrs. That siren is really loud. I apologize. I also have this little keychain tassel. It says bride right here on this little tag on it. That's fun. You can clip it on like your keys or your purse or something. Oh, this is nice. I've got some future wifey socks. These look really thick and warm. They say future wifey on the bottom of them. Let's feel them. So they're not super thick, actually. They're pretty thin, but they look really nice. So that'll be nice. I sleep in socks, actually. I have a hard time sleeping without socks. I'm one of those weird people. So I can definitely see myself sleeping in these. And then the last thing I have is this shirt. A white shirt that says bride on it. It's a short sleeve. And it just says bride on it. That's cute. Very nice. So this is my first ring box. I do have a subscription for it. So I believe I'm getting a box from them every single month, but this is the very first one and I really like pretty much everything in here. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and let me know down below your favorite product from this box, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.
If a picture's worth 1,000 words, I'll paint an invitation to let you